45. Last multiple choice question. Let f be a function such that f prime of 2 equals 0 and f double prime of 2 equals 3. Let me write this up here, make it a little bit cleaner. Alright, which of the following must be true about f? And let's look at this. So we have f prime of 2 equals 0. And this right here means we have a horizontal tangent line when x is equal to 2. Okay, horizontal tangent line. That doesn't necessarily mean we have an extreme value. We need to find that part out. So let's look at this next piece of information. F double prime of 2 is 3. And that means that it is concave up when x is equal to 2. So what this means now, if I have my graph, I'll draw a little graph, we have, I don't know where up or down this curve is, but I do know a few things. First thing I know is that wherever this curve is, it's horizontally tangent right here. That's the first part. And it's concave up. It's curving upward right here. So that means as I go right a little bit, it has to curve up, and as I go left a little, it has to curve up. Now, I know nothing about what happens around here. Like, this curve could go all crazy like on that side, or it could continue like a parabola, or it could actually have a corner here and go down that way. Same thing on this side. So I don't know what happens here. Let me just toss in a little sketch. I'm not really sure. I'm just going to sort of continue it out this way, but we don't know what happens there. It looks kind of like some horns there. All right. But the important piece is around here, when I get really close, I can see that I have to have a low point, a relative minimum. And that means that we have a relative minimum at x equals 2, d.